Hey, what's going on? This is Eric Cortina with Texas Barndominiums. I'm going to give you a quick tour of this Barndominium we've been working on. It's 38 by 40 and it's about 1,520 square feet. As you guys know, we build custom Barndominiums, so the size also can be custom. In this case, it's 38 by 40, so you can pretty much have any size you want in 1 foot increments. So anyway, enough of that. Let me go show you. So the colors are burnished slate and white trim. As you can see here, the septic tank has already been installed, and they have a 6-foot porch all the way around, well, not all the way around, but 3 sides, and I'll show you some of that. They also have a carport in the back. So this is the side, and we're coming around to what's eventually going to be the front of the Barndominium. So here's the front of the Barndominium. So you can see they have a lot of windows. That's going to be the front door right there. And on the side, this is where the carport is. Right there. We haven't done the soffits on this one yet. That's coming after the holidays. So let's go inside, see what it looks like. So this is the living room, kitchen, and dining room. And you can see it's pretty big. We are doing trim work right now, and the floor is going to get wood flooring. Right now we have all the floors protected with ram board, like we do all of our floors. Even if we're going to have wood floors or tile, I still like to protect my floors. Just in case the customer changes their mind at some point and decide they want to do stained concrete or anything else that would require the floors to be clean. So here we have the laundry room, and you know, everything's dark right now because we don't have any lights. So there's the laundry room. Here's a linen closet. Let's go. Here's the kitchen. We already started on the backsplash, and the cabinets are installed, and the granite countertops have also been installed. The painter's coming next week, and they're going to paint these cabinets. All these windows, as you see, they have a lot of windows on this Barndo. We're going to case them all in trim. That's why we have so much trim laying here. So they're all gonna get wood casing all the way around. And trust me, it's gonna look very nice. There's also going to be a chair rail on that wall all the way across, and then we're gonna put beadboard underneath. So you're gonna wanna check this one out when we're done, and now we'll bring you more updates. This one's also gonna be cased in, and so all the openings are gonna get cased in. So pretty nice. Again, this is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath. This is another closet in the hallway, just a linen closet. Here's one of the bedrooms. And here is the closet right here. Again, you saw the bathroom in here. Just good sized bathroom. Again, the cabinet's installed. I have a tub, shower, and you can tell the tile guys got started on this already. And they should be back tomorrow to finish. So let's go down the hallway. Here's the master bedroom. And our master bedroom has a door that leads to the outside. Walk-in closet right here. All right, so pretty good size. It's long and narrow, but it's by the time we install the shelving, it's gonna be pretty nice. So, and of course, this goes back out to the master bedroom. Lots of windows. You can see there's a lot of natural light coming in. 9-foot ceilings on everything. And like I said, the last few days has been super windy. So that's why some of this stuff is still here. Because if they put it in a dumpster, it would just fly away. So again, this is the door that leads to the outside. And of course, this goes to the carport right here. And again, the soffits are coming in about 2 weeks, and then we'll get all that soffitted in. We've had horrendous winds for the last few days. So here's the master shower. As you can see, tile all the way up. Nice long bench right there. All that's gonna get covered in tile. So big shower. Sink, and of course your water closet right there. So like I said, 38 by 40, 1,520 square feet. But to me, this is a perfect size for anybody looking to downsize. Look at all those windows, man. They really look good in here. Our customers are loving this. They are a retired couple, and this is their retirement home. They're looking to downsize, and this is, to me, a perfect home for them. Again, it's pretty roomy for being only 1,500 square feet. As you guys know, we built some really big Barndominiums, but sometimes you don't need it that big. Well, that's all I got for today. I hope you guys enjoyed that. Again, this is just a quick tour of this Barndominium. There's a lot happening this week here. The trim guy's coming back. He's gonna case all those windows. He's gonna do all the chair rail, the beadboard. And next time I'll give you an update. All the trim should be up, and we should have paint on the cabinets and the trim. So I'm sure you're gonna like that one. So we'll see you next week. We are Text the Barndominiums.